Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching, and welcome back once again to the Making Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along, we have something very interesting today. Factorizing larger expression. If I have a large expression like this and I want to factorize it, the first thing I look out for, look at, in this place you have 2b plus 3c, and I also have 2b plus 3c. Represent it by a letter. You say let 2b plus 3c be equals to p. So anywhere we see p, 2b plus 3c, we put p. So this becomes 4a into bracket p plus 3z into bracket p. So this is 4ap plus 3zp. Now, what is common between them? P. So bring it out. So this is p into bracket 4a plus 3z. Now, we are pretty much done. Replace the value of p. Since you said let p be this, so replace the value of p with 2p plus 3c. So the answer will be 2b plus 3c into bracket 4a plus 3z. All right, let's look at example 2. The question is 12a into bracket 4x plus 3y minus 9a squared into bracket 4x plus 3y. Now 4x plus 3y is here, 4x plus 3y is here. So we can say let 4x plus 3y be equals to p. So anywhere we see 4x plus 3y, we replace it with p. So this becomes 12ap minus 9a squared p. Now, what is common between these two terms? You have 3a. Okay, I can factor out 3ap from these two things. 3ap. Now, when I remove 3ap from here, I'll be left with 4. Because 4 times 3 is 12. This is 12ap. Now, when I remove 3 from here, I'll be left with minus 3. This a and this a will go off, so I'll be left with 1a minus 3a. Because if I multiply these together, 3a times 3ap, I will get 9a squared p. Now, from here, we can now proceed. So we have that this is 3a p into bracket 4 minus 3a. Remember, we said that p is what? 4x plus 3y. So wherever we see p, we impute this. So this becomes 3a into bracket 4x plus 3y into bracket 4 minus 3a. So we have ended up factorizing this large expression. So we have 3a into bracket 4x plus 3y into bracket 4 minus 3a. All right, let's take this example. We have 3x minus 2y times a minus 3x minus 2y squared. What are we seeing here? 3x minus 2y, 3x minus 2y. So let 3x minus 2y, you can use anything, be equals to p. So whenever we see this, we replace it by p. So this is a times p. So this is ap minus p squared. What's common between these two things? I can see p, so bring it out, which is equals to p into bracket a minus p. Now let's replace 3x minus y that we said let it be equals to p. So wherever we see p, we'll put it as 3x minus 2y. So this becomes 3x minus 2y into bracket a minus, into bracket a minus, open bracket, wherever we see p, we put 3x minus 2y minus 2y, close the bracket. So from here, we are pretty much done. This is 3x minus 2y, a minus, this is negative 3x, negative minus times minus, that will give us positive. So this is positive 2y. So the final answer is 3x minus 2y into bracket a minus 3x plus 2y. So we have ended up factorizing this large expression. All right, let's look at this example also. We have a minus b into brackets times c plus d minus a plus b. This is slightly different from what we have been doing, but not too much of a difference. We have a and b here, but here I have a minus b, but here I have a plus b. Now what I will do is I will make this negative a plus b be like this. And how do I do that? I'll factor out negative 1 from this place. So this becomes a minus b. I'll rewrite it into bracket c plus d into bracket. This becomes negative 1 into bracket a minus b. Now what did I do? I just brought out this negative 1 here. So negative 1 times a is still negative a. Negative 1 times negative b is positive b. So I factorize 1 out. Now, so that I can have a minus b, a minus b. So you can say let a minus b be equals to m, anything we like. So whenever we see a minus b, we put m. So we have that, since we have said let a minus b be equals to m. So whenever we see a minus b, we put m. So this becomes m into bracket c plus d minus m. That's 1m. Now factorize m out from here. So we have that our m is equals to not m is equals to m into bracket c plus d minus 1. So this becomes m c plus d minus 1. So we can put it like this, m into bracket c plus d minus 1. So wherever we see m, remember we put a minus b. So therefore our final answer will be a minus b into bracket c plus d minus 1. So that's the final answer for this factorization. All right, I hope you have learned in today's class. We looked at factorizing of large expressions. If you learned in today's class, you follow through, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. And if there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put it in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. To meet again in the next class. If you're here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. To meet again in the next Mickey class, Maths class. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.